Have you heard of vintage music sheet? This digital product is quietly skyrocketing in sales, already boosting a whopping 15 sales in the last 24 hours. And guess what? It has minimal competition. Now, imagine diving into this gold mine of opportunity. In today's video, I'll guide you through seizing this golden opportunity by using the power of AI. We'll explore a simple way to prime ChatGPT to generate these top-selling designs. So, without wasting time, let's dive right into it. Before diving into creating a simple digital product like this, let's ensure we tick off some basic boxes to confirm if this design is the right one to sell. Box number 1. Start by copying the product name and search it on Xi. This helps determine if there's low competition, which means your product will have a higher chance of being seen quickly. However, keep in mind that many products can still have lesser competition but with lower demand. So how do we know if these products still have higher demand? That brings us to box number 2. And one of the free methods I use to check if a product has a demand is to head over to the review section of the product and select recent reviews. With these, I can know when the product was last purchased and what customers like about it. But how did I discover such a potential product on Xi? I utilized the keyword option in a platform called Allura to search for junk journal paper because I noticed it has high demand on Xi. As a result of my search, I could see the top selling digital product in this niche and their earnings. After discovering this potential design, I used the shop analyzer features from Allura to gain more insight into the revenue this store generated from selling these designs. Now, with all this knowledge, it was time to move to the next step. But before I continue, I want to say all AI prompts mentioned in all my videos will be available on my Patreon. And if you want to start this similar business, I have added over 80 prompts for junk journal paper sub niches with low competition, and it will be available for all my Patreon supporters. Link will be in the description. Now, back to the next step, which is by using ChatGPT to generate more prompts. But for a simple design like this, I start by describing one of the competitors' image using a straightforward concept. First, I inform the AI about the customization of the prompt, then provide the subject and finalize it with the style of the prompt. Now, if you go ahead to generate this prompt, we'll get something like this, which is okay. But to obtain more variations like this, we'll introduce the use of ChatGPT. And all I have to do is to ask ChatGPT to generate more prompt idea based on the prompt I created. I instructed it to focus solely on music sheets, starting and ending the prompt in the same way I did. And as a result, ChatGPT provided exactly what I needed. Once I was satisfied with the prompt, the next step was to copy it into an image generation platform. And for the sake of those who can't afford the Midjourney monthly plan, don't worry, I use a free alternative called Leonardo AI, which offers 150 tokens daily for an AI image generation, and the results are almost comparable to Midjourney. After creating an account, I selected image generation and I pasted my prompt. But before I click on generate, I made sure I changed the aspect ratio for a portrait layout. Then I clicked generate. The result came out looking decent, and I repeated the same step with the rest of the prompt to acquire more results. Always remember to upscale any AI image to avoid pixelation. I prefer using a platform called Remini from Google Play Store, which enhances image quality for better results. And finally, it looks professional to present your AI images in a Google Drive folder and use the link to create a PDF page. If you're unsure on how to do this, check out this video where I delve deeper into the process. I believe I have shared valuable information on a potential digital product that can skyrocket your Xi shop in 2024. Remember, success on Xi comes from consistency. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.